Silk Boss can't be a bigger girl clown than me. Silk Boss can't be a bigger girl clown more than me. I don't nobody feel like a rum tart this. That man no junk. Me a bigger girl clown. I want you, Silk Boss, a girl ever hold you and box down your blood clotting. Me ask you, what part of your girl clown? Don't follow some boy, show them some little batty boy while you feel walk and mind them and come tell you about your girl clown, my youth, and make you feel lesser than a man, my youth. You're real top youth. Silk Boss, me happy for you. You see this way happen. Me happy for you. We know say a next clown there. But as much as you're clown, you're no bigger clown than me, Silk Boss. So what you look at, brother? Because enough top artists are clown to girl and they're afraid to say them man they are clown to girl. But just because you are young artist, everybody a push you under the bus. Well, me a draw you from under the bus. Silk Boss, you're no bigger clown than me. I mean, know me a older man for you. Silk Boss, let me tell you this. Go on to your thing. And you see that girl? Just go and have her same way. Don't dash her way. Silk Boss, somebody tell you have to make a girl jape y'all back so boom! But tell her don't do it in a crowd, you know. Then she do it in a blood clot crowd, she will in a problem, you know. Somebody tell Silk Boss you have to make a girl ring all your ears. Because guess what? You see little more when you're whining her pum pum. And whining her pum pum. And she turn it back where y'all a slap her. Boom, on her back and she about Jesus. Boom, and she about Jesus. Boom, and you put it on her, Silk Boss. What nice up. What is some boy? I come talk about Silk Boss and girl clown. You can't be no girl clown. And if you are 100 time girl clown, me a 10 million time girl clown. You see that girl, the Silk Boss? Me know you no kissy, but that girl lay off a kiss her. The way me hear you love her and I talk about her, you love her. Mama, you feel understand yourself. And bust the youth and stop make the youth head hurting. I want to know. Me no want no boy you come tell me about Silk Boss and girl clown. Cause enough of no boy I know some batty boy, you know. You see when me I deal with, you know if you go allow the youth, I be a man a jump out. Oh, Silk Boss and girl clown. Silk Boss me lose off. Oh, you fi lose off Silk Boss, are you man? Me ask you Silk Boss how no man. How you no fi lose off him? Him a sex or no? That's like the man them sound like when, you know, a man go sex a girl and the next girl find out and I say me lose off for you. Me never know say you don't go sex for me. How no man? Love the blood clot youth and motivate the youth and make the youth sex more girl and make more girl turn him in a clown and turn like that. So one girl clown him as you say that a girl clown. So more, him man fi switch round girl then. Him man fi switch round girl have a back a man a patrol back him like soldier. And when him a go in a door, man a walk in front him and a pull in door. And I say go in my boss and I push him in and I lock the door. When he wake in the night, is a man lie down on the floor and I say, me general, you alright. None of that. Continue be a girl clown. Cause right now, girl I walk on you as where they say, you so start walk on girl. Silk Boss me rate you know, me don't know where you're from away now, I just wait here, me start get all the control about you. But you see, boss when them a try push you under, me a draw you from under that, come me powerful enough to draw you from under that. Don't stop love the girl them. And if you want to love the little Delilah way, bring up all of this, love her same way. I want thing me I tell you, Silk Boss, you see if she make a mistake and give you back a pum pum, I breathe now while you breathing. Wind up in night and breathing. And you say when you have knock it this tip, turn it back way and slap it up, slap it up, slap it up. And someone you deal with this Silk Boss. I want to tell you about girl clown. You can't be no girl clown you. I want to tell you. You can feel love woman. Somebody tell you to make girl box you. Kick where your foot and tap all in your throat. And say boy you ramp with me and you look up and down and I say no mama, no mama. All the thing me no want you do, no go push head under the woman for them come bring them thing them for media. But anything else you want to do, me with you 100%. No boy can this yourself back. I want you. Silk Boss, me a top yalis from back then, you know. And now me a calm and a be able to say true. Me yoke them and get bigger and me have to steer them in a certain way, you know. When me young like you, me a top class yalis, you know, you. You see me I deal with another little bit of things girl do me, you know. Oh God. Still pass. Me say girl go get, me say all my woman go give away pussy when me young like you. And me beat her up and then a ball for her and sex her in her night. Sweet me. Want yourself pass. No make no man call you down and trick you. And I tell you about girl crown and make you switch rank girl. Don't do that. Right now as you get that video, call the bitch. Right now as you get this video, call the bitch over. Anywhere the bitch they go pick it up and go knock it right now. Under some top souls and Cillian and Mariah Carey have it and I want to still pass. Don't make them trick you about your young and you're in your young career. So true, you're in your young career, you don't want no pum pum. And now you're hardy. Because your name a call and girl a see you. Do your thing, my general. Now make them come tell you about you're no girl clown and that. Bring you down to zero. I want to you. A girl clown you fi be. Don't be no man clown. Remember me tell you no say pass. Don't be no man clown, you know. Kind of for them boy they glad for y'all. If y'all do this now for you and spend your money on the pines and a bun weed and a drink with them. Every day and a flask with them, you know. For them get the best of you, you know. Then them put you in a mix up and start bring be a gun round your till. When you hear from the short, breaking news. Silk Boss and his cronies was firing up the police. That I'm not even go about two police call one and one gun then kill on one. I say yes, who did that fire upon police? Continue big girl clown. Make it girl them walk by you, do your all kind of thing. Don't make them shit by you nor piss by you. But if you even want lie down, make them walk by you, make them walk and you look up under them. Girl clown you fi be me boss. Remember me tell you that. Don't make no boy trick you. And don't be no man clown. Continue big girl clown. You me with you 100%. And if you're 100 time girl clown, me a 20 million time girl clown. So you don't act like me. You just a try big girl clown. Continue your journey and the way I do. And don't make this break you and make like you tell yourself say you don't want to still pass, me tell you. No for how we are artists. No chop him on that girl when me chop. Me chop mad girl. Me chop deformed girl. Me chop handicapped girl. Me chop foot girl. Near me girl them. White girl, brown girl, pink girl. You never see a pink girl yet. You never see a girl bleach out till they done pink. Every type of girl. The amount of girl clown me already. One thing you say back, no make no boy clown you. Big up me general. Any boy violate you, link up with Daddy Classic and we're ready for them. Because guess what? Nobody feel like we are going to wind up with nobody in a party or have no boy a pull we car do and a let we in and we care about and we done. Yeah, we have a general them when we step with yes. But let me tell you something, Phil Bass. You see, if we general them, anything they dep on that, them never. You see me a girl clown, them a say, yo, and the general, that mean loud the general. Anyone of your soldier them, about you say you're a girl clown, I never your real soldier that. Because girl, boy, if you don't say, no matter what you say or no matter what you want to say, no boy can nice like a girl. And that me I tell you. Hey boy, you could have blink a little more, your ear could have talk a little more, your pants could have done on your knee a little more. Hey boy, you can't feel my girl, you stink like. Continue be girl clown and continue make girl clown you. All you do, save your money and hold. One heap of estate like myself, one heap of vehicle, have your things you, have your business them. Me tell you something, you see girl, have a lot to do with you man. You see once you have a Batman style in you, girl are gonna do a lot for you. You see, Phil Bass, enough time I wake up in all my bed and Josie and lazy and not even want to go up man, my business place. Give thanks to my daughter will run off one of the business place in the street. We have a next business place where I walk and sell car and sit. Sometimes I don't even want to go. You see from a woman come out of him room and jump on me bed and wind off him on the head. Hey! Me move mountains strong. A so man powerful. Don't make no boy trick you. Continue stay with your girl. One thing, make them clown you if they want. And them fi clown you. Remember me tell you that. Them fi clown you.